What is the real meaning of Basil in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of Basil dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If you see basil or basil plant in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates good luck, healing, protection from all kinds of negative things, success and prosperity, and an upcoming good time in which you will make huge progress in every aspect of life very easily. But sometimes this dream also suggests new opportunities for success that will make you more happier and satisfied person in the coming future. Now number 2, if you see growing basil in a dream, then it indicates good luck, prosperity and success due to your past hard work and dedication in the form of success that will change you and your life completely in positive ways. Now number 3, if you see cooking something with basil in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates success in any work, project or planning due to your skills, knowledge and creativity in life. So to take the maximum benefit from it, this is the right time to set some big goals according to priority in real life. Now number 4, if you see a dry or dead basil in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to focus on your spiritual life as soon as possible, because some kind of negative thoughts and feelings are harming you a lot right now. So to remove any kind of negativity, you should start your spiritual journey as soon as possible. Only then you will be able to handle all kinds of life problems very easily. Now number 5, if you see eating or drinking basil with something in a dream, then it also indicates success in any work, project or planning. As well as this dream also suggests the ending of life problems soon which have been bothering you for a long time. And due to this you will again feel more energetic and healthier in real life.